Welcome back to City Foodie Farm. Today we are going to be making some fun eggs with a little bit of herbs and tomatoes, stuff from the garden. And I'm here with my two little chefs today. And let's just say we are gearing up for when we have fresh eggs from our baby chicks. And these are my two little chefs. And they have learned so much over the years with growing vegetables and cooking with fresh ingredients out of the garden. It's fun to watch them create a meal. And if you're wondering, my oldest made these eggs for her and her sister. And they love running outside and grabbing some ingredients from the garden to decorate their eggs. I'm not usually an egg person, but I'll give these a try. They look so good. Comment below and let us know which eggs you would try. They have lots of fresh herbs, and I'll go through all of the herbs that they used. So on these eggs, she's adding some salt and pepper, some basil, some tomatoes. And the key with the tomatoes, she said, was to take out the seeds out of those little tomatoes. And she's also decorating it with some dill and some more basil. And then with my little one's eggs, she is kind of using the same ingredients. Yes, the basil, tomatoes, dill, salt and pepper. Leave it to kids to come up with an amazing recipe. I never thought of adding herbs with eggs. I've thought of, adding tomatoes and cheese and bacon, but herbs really make everything better. And they're adding a little bit of olive oil on top with some dill and even mint. Doesn't it look delicious? I am willing to try these. They look so good. Now let's see what they think of these.
I'm adding more stuff to the...
You're gonna dip your eggs in balsamic vinegar?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like balsamic vinegar. If you guys don't, you could just not do the sauce what I'm making. Now, let me get it.
That looks really yummy.
Look at mine.
Mm-hmm. Yours looks yummy too.
No, look at mine.
I'm about to cut it. Oh, this has all...
It's pretty good. I'll just give this to 1,000.
Or if none of you guys have even tried balsamic vinegar, maybe you could try it.
You should use a fork, Emma.
I'm just laying it down.
Do you want to take a bite? See if you like it. You want to take a bite without the balsamic so you can actually see what it tastes like?
But I've always said the balsamic vinegar gives a little bit of like
Brightness.
woo.
Brightness.
I didn't get this. I love it.
Good.
Here's how I emptied the what is it called? Like tomato on it.
You took the seeds out.
Yeah, and all of the other stuff, and then it's like plain, so yeah, I'm gonna try it with balsamic.
I hate this one.
And you guys tell in the comments who did the better job.
Well, I taste mine. Emma, can I taste yours and then you taste mine?
Ooh, that would be good. Now with balsamic.
Just how I said, it makes
Brightens it up.
brightens it up. Go wow.
Emma, you try mine and then I try yours.
What do you think of Emma's eggs?
It doesn't really have like salt on it.
It needs to be salted more. Okay.
Put on. So
What was that?
I didn't really like her
Mom's
tomatoes.
The judge. Mom's the
Well,
judge.
everybody decorates their eggs how they like it, right? And that's what
Mom,
makes it
try
good.
this egg. You're the judge. You have to try it.
Oh, I'm not an egg person.
Please, Mom.
Oh.
Mine is like really good.
Ooh. Basil and eggs taste amazing.
Now try Emma's.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, I'm going to try this one now. Ah. Wow.
What?
It's very, very good with herbs and tomatoes. So make sure you add tomatoes and herbs with your eggs. It tastes delicious. Well, I hope you enjoyed cooking with my two little chefs. I think their eggs look delicious and they actually taste really good. Subscribe for more videos and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much.
Thanks for watching.